Hi friends, if you are in plan for making a website for a startup company and that is specifically for business and technology, this video is exactly for you. And I have a very good theme in this video called a startup company itself, and its name is a startup company. So this is why it can be considered as the dedicated theme for a startup company websites. And the theme developers are my all-time favorites, CMS masters, and they are power elite authors. They actually made very wonderful theme, and a startup theme is an ultimate tool to kickstart your project, either a software development company or a project startup or any new business. A startup company theme has all the needed functionality, powerful custom portfolio options to showcase your technology projects, events functionality for business events, blog with lots of options so that you can blog about technology innovations and business ideas. So it has all the features for a startup company website. And if we talk about the demo website, this is the demo website, which is really wonderful and have a stunning look, and all the pages given in the website has been aesthetically crafted and having a very modern and exact look which is required for a company websites. And it has all the pre-built pages which you can use directly for your website, and you have a reason to watch this video until end, as you never know the theme which you are going to decide for your website having what features. So you are not aware about the theme quality and the potential options about your selected theme. So if you go through this video, you will come to know all such things. And in this video we are going to install the startup company WordPress theme in a fresh installation of WordPress, and we will import the demo content and preview the theme options, web, and the customization options as well. So stay tuned and watch this video until end. And if you are a new visitor to this channel, please subscribe this channel. I am going to bring wonderful videos on themes, plugins and utilities for you. And this theme is also available on the wpthemes.co.in website. I am giving the link of that website in the description of this video. So let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress for this, in which the default 2021 WordPress theme has been installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have demo content, docs, licensing, readme text, the startup company main theme file and the child theme file. For installation we have to go in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose a startup-company.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file in WP content themes folder, and I am doing the same. It will save some time, and I wish to show you the theme file size. In fact, the theme file size is 25.97 MB in size. It is bit high as compared to others. It may contain certain features and utilities in terms of folders with the theme pack. This is why this theme file size is bit higher, but we have seen it works fine on the website and speed is optimum, so you need not worry for this. And everything has been optimized with this theme, as the developers are really power elite authors and they know how to match the things. So we have nothing to worry about this. The quality and the both activities of uploading the theme are same. Either you can upload from the server interface, that is your hosting, directly to your hosting plan in the WP content themes folder, or you can upload the same file using the theme interface, add themes and choose file and upload themes, as I said. So both activities are same, don't get confused. but this direct upload makes sure that everything is going fine and it is uploading up. So the progress bar is saying the progress, and it may take 1 or 2 minutes. We have to wait until it gets completes. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this startup company folder, in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one, it is not required, it is just consuming the server space. Now we are well to go in the theme section of WordPress, and we have another theme option as a startup company, and let us check the details. This is a startup company version 1.1.1 by CMS Master. A startup company WordPress theme is amazing. So now we can activate it, and upon activation, that we got landed on the welcome page, and which says that we need to install certain plugins, and certain setups has been identified here. So like logo image and retina images and all logo type and all such things are here. But first we should install the necessary plugins, and let us check the list of plugins which are required for this theme. And these are the plugins which are required and recommended for this theme, and I am going to install all the plugins as I have to showcase all the features of this website. And I must tell you, this theme also supports the WooCommerce, so you can use this theme for your e-commerce activity. If you are in plan for making a website with e-commerce facility, you can use this theme. And I am choosing to install all the plugins in one go. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install plugins one by one to avoid any errors during the installation. And all the plugins has been installed in just few seconds. Now we can go back and activate the installed plugins. It is being activated, and now all the plugins has been installed and activated. We will simply click on the dashboard whether it needs further settings, like WooCommerce needs basic information after the installation and activation, so it may require, yes, it is redirecting to WooCommerce welcome page. So at this page you have to put some necessary information about your website and place of operation etc, but I am skipping this escape as my WooCommerce has been installed, and you should put all such information which is applicable for you. And my WooCommerce has been installed. In this case I am not putting such information. Okay, fine. So we are fine to go, and we have now the theme and the plugins set with our installation. Now we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and plugins. And it is loading up, of course. And this is the basic look of a startup company website, and it is of course without any demo content, and it has core look. So we have target website like this. So at this stage we need to install or import the demo content, so that we may create a target website like this. And I am looking for the option where the demo content importer is available. Or okay, so import demo content is a separate tab available here in the left sidebar. Okay, so just click on that. Okay, site cannot be reached. My internet is disturbed today, so I am not sure why it is happening. So no internet is here. Okay, fine. So we are now on the demo import page, which has been navigated from import demo content tab, and we have these options to select and since it is a new installation, we have to check all the checkboxes and start import. And before that, make sure that you have the compatible server and its vitals, and just click on the import demo content and something is going up. Let us see what happens on the screen. I never hide anything during my navigation, illustration. So you will face and encounter the same steps which I am facing. So we have to be here, and it is showing waiting for the response, and it may definitely take some time because it is connecting to the developer server and it is preparing for downloading the media files as well. So this screen always take times, and we have to be here with our due patience, and the system has redirected to this screen and it is going on still, and we have to wait again, and you will reach on this screen. In fact, I clicked the demo import twice. This is why it is showing that images are already exist, and this is the website, output website, which we got after demo import, and it is showing some duplicate tabs because just I clicked the demo import twice, and some images has not been given in the demo, but it does not matter. Finally we have to import our put our own images, and what I'll do, I'll delete the duplicate menu first so that I may show you the exact look of website after importing the demo, and it will not take much time. Okay, okay, so I have deleted the duplicate menu, and now the site is fine to go. And as I said, some images has not been provided, like this image has not been provided in the demo content, but it does not matter. Finally we have to use our own images, and just in case you want to use these images, however it is not advised, you can save as this image, and you can place that this image at the place where it is. So it is fine. And now okay, so most of images are here, and all the contents has been given. All the contents given in the demo content has been imported successfully, and the site is fine to go, and you can now put your original contents here, and we have all home pages. I'll show you one or two home pages and feature pages which may give an idea to you what type of quality pages are available here. So this is the another home page. This is home device page, and it is also very good, and it in fact it is having a very wonderful look, no doubt. And just replace the placeholder images and it will be fine to go. And this is the third look of startup company website. The third home page is here, and it is fine, and about us page is here. So we got all the contents, all the materials for our upcoming website in the demo import. And now I'll show you the theme options. In fact, let us see what we got additional in the installation, and I'll show you the options. And post, events, media, and also things are common as in WordPress, and appearance and all things are here. Layer slider theme setting is here, which I must show you. So which gives the control of your website to you. And this is the simple theme setting. It is general setting, header setting. You can upload logo etc from general setting, and the footer contents can be handled from here. Content is here, and the footer itself is here. So we have limited but all necessary controls for this website in the theme panel itself. And now I'll show you how to edit the content of page. Let us assume we need to edit the content of home page itself, and it is simple to edit. Just click on the edit page, what page you want to edit, and you shall be able to edit the content of page. It is loading up, and actually the demo import took some additional time, which was not expected in fact, but it happens sometime. It may be the connection issues. And this theme uses block page builder, and it is always simple, and you can simply click on the pencil icon. Whatever you want to edit, you will be able to edit, and it is more than simple. And you can even remove or add the areas. Just be sure use the same length content which has been given in the demo, and try to use same font. And you may use text or visual editor, both is available here. So and what I'll rather advise you to take a backup of page using any duplicator plugin, so that just in case you made any mistake, you may restore the home page at least. So just take a backup, and everything is fine now. And you might have some questions regarding this theme, and so feel free to write in the comment section of this video, and even you can get a direct interaction with me, and with the link provided in the description of this video, where you can start a comment, and I will definitely try to resolve your queries. And you can even get this theme and hosting and whatever you want following the link given in the description of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and you will keep watching this channel for the next videos as well. Thanks for watching. Thank you.